That's it. Just some fried cabbage, and this goes with anything. If you have rice, you can have it with rice. If you have yam, you know, what else? Green banana. Trust me, this is real good. Yeah man, today we are cook some fried cabbage with yeah guys, so this is what we're using today for the cabbage, fried cabbage. So that's the cabbage right there. You know, we got some thyme, we got some green, red and yellow bell pepper, right? And right here, so we got the shrimp, because we are doing it with a different twist today. We are doing the fried cabbage with some shrimp today. So we are gonna fry the shrimp first, and then, you know, because you know the shrimp, you know, easy to cook, so we're gonna fry it, you know, just saute it in the same pot, you know, and then we just put it aside. Yeah, so we're gonna just gonna add some oil. Yeah, and this is the, as I said, you know, we're gonna first fry these, you know, get them sear, and then we're gonna work on the cabbage in the same pot, because, you know, all that I season the shrimp with jerk season, so you know all that spice, all that kick is gonna be inside there. So we just want to get them real things you need. Yeah, we're good. Yeah, so we need to get some more flame underneath it, but yeah, we're good. So that's like 3 minutes. That's 3 minutes, so we're gonna flip them right now. Yeah. See all the good color. Yeah. Yeah, man. That's what we're looking for. A nice color. Yeah. Just gonna take them off and let them sit over there. I won't be using all this oil, right? So I'm gonna saute these onions, and I'm gonna add thyme and bell pepper. Yeah. Just getting the onion translucent, you know. Alright, so ready now. I'm gonna add all of it. Cabbage. So I did put the stove on low. You don't want a high flame, you don't want to burn it. You know, you want it to have that, you know, fry flavor, but you don't want to burn it. So yeah, the sear is coming along nicely, and you want it to be crunchy, not too crunchy, but you want it to have a little bite, you know. So yeah, and then we're gonna add these. Yeah, so we just are getting real, you know, tender. You know, so yeah, we're getting there. Don't worry, we're getting there. And then this is what I'm gonna use: the all-purpose season right here, and we're gonna use some ginger, garlic, and pimento. Yeah, yeah, man. Two of my favorite seasoning them to use, you know. Yeah. So Yeah, it's coming along. Alright. So right now we're gonna add the shrimp. Yeah? Different style. We're gonna have the shrimp in it, you know? Yeah. Remember, when I had some of this, all purpose. Right? That's it. Remember, we don't measure. Yeah. That's it. And then we're gonna do like this, yeah? Yeah. We don't measure. We don't measure non-tall. Yeah? You guys see there? I fall now, you know, all the leaf from off the tree gone. But yeah, it's plating time. Let me see. Get a little brightness. Too bright? Alright, this is good. So right now, this is how you want it. So trust me, if you're a vegetarian, you don't like the starch, and vegan, which I don't know which one of them don't eat meat, but yeah, see, this is a good one, trust me. Come on now, people. Yeah guys, see, just some fried cabbage, and this goes with anything. If you have rice, you can have it with rice. If you have yam, you know, what else, green banana, dumpling, anything. But if you just need something light, this is it right here, you know. Stir fry, easy easy. I was gonna use some sausage in it today, but I just changed my mind and say, you know what, get the sausage next time. You have some shrimp in the fridge, you know, and this goes with any meat. You know, you can have leftover chicken, you can have leftover beef, you know. You just stir fry it, easy easy easy. See, crunchy and nice, man, trust me. Yeah man. Sausage, beef, and show you simple, but this one just shrimp, trust me, and it good. You see, every bite I try to get some peppers. See, I try to get a shrimp and some cabbage. See, beautiful bite. Real good. All right, ready now. See, cannot cook on a tripe. So you get a shrimp, some cabbage, some pepper. Trust me, this is real good, real good. Guys, remember to subscribe, all right? Please give thanks, yeah? Until next time, peace out, yeah?